types of GUI. We are having three types of GUI: GUI for Windows that can run on Windows operating system, GUI for Java, and GUI for HTML. Have you seen GUI for Java? Let me show you how it look like. It is very because it's not very common, but in the training environment you can see GUI for Java. Are you able to see GUI for Java? So GUI for Java can run on both operating system. It can run on Windows as well as on the Unix operating system also. So this is the look of GUI for Java, and this is the GUI for Windows. I just open both GUI, so you can just see this type of GUI. This is GUI for Java. This is GUI for, yeah, GUI for Windows, GUI for Java. And another type of GUI we are having, that is known as GUI for HTML. So GUI for HTML is web GUI. So first, if this service must be activated, when you click on this service, it will open it here. So this is web GUI. You can see here, this is GUI for HTML. This is GUI for HTML. And suppose I want to run some T code here. How to run the T code? How to run the T code from here? Can you like open this web GUI and can you tell me from where you are going to run the T code? Where is that option?
I think via search, if you click search, you can find a search box where you can write the T code.
Yeah, so we have to like by default you are not going to get the T code path here where I have to write, because I am not able to. Okay, search button. Okay, very good. So in the search button, what I can search? Suppose I want to run SM04 T code.
MM03, yeah,
Yeah,
anyone.
anyone. Not working. No entry find. So how to run a T code here? It's a very tricky part. SM. Okay, I just type VA01. How to run VA01? It means this is not by default coming. So we have to do some settings here. We have to do some settings here. Without doing these settings, it is not going to. So we have to go to settings. In the settings, we have to perform the OK code. OK code is used to perform like to get that URL. So here we can go to GUI actions settings, and here we can GUI actions. GUI actions is visual design, theme selection. Changed. It's a tricky part where that option gone. Menu, menu.
Can you check user menu?
User menu. Okay. This is the user menu. This is the user menu. It's there.
Go to favorite and right
Yeah.
mouse, right.
Yeah, alternative way is there. We can just go and we can put is here also. That
Be
is
easy,
yeah,
no?
easy way. Like alternate ways are there, right? Uh,
Yeah.
Alternate ways are there, so we can like do this way. But there should be some option there. I'm just checking that option. Uh, there should be OK. This the T code is known as OK field. So it should be there in the menu path settings. Extra administrative settings.
Display technical names.
Display technical names. Uh, okay. Set transaction start transaction. Okay. Set transaction code SM AL08. No. Set as.
There is no L08.
Mm.
Run SM 50 or something.
Yeah, it is not coming. SM50 means where I have to run because there is no place. So we must be getting some place where I can write the T codes. So that option.
Go to sub menu.
Okay, menu settings, tools, content services, local data. Okay, here visualization. Show OK code field. If I click this, then we will be getting the OK. Now you are able to see we got the this path. So everything is setting. So now we can run SM50T code or whatever. Now we got the path. So by default they have disabled this one. So if you want to see this path, so you have to go settings. Under settings we have to go interaction design visualization. Under visualization you can click this one, show OK code. Otherwise you will not be able to see these options there.
Yeah, you have a good memory, yes, and check. Okay.
So yeah, so that is our next lesson, working with the web GUI, GUI for HTML. So for GUI for HTML, we got web GUI, and uh, this service must be activated. And it is also possible that you can make a alias because it's a very big long service. So you can make a alias also if you want to access the through web GUI. And here, if okay, here we can GUI and action. Okay, it's given here in the next slide. We can go to more option, but there is no more button. More button, GUI actions and setting. There is no more
Do you
button.
have sub GUI for Linux or Unix?
Yeah, yes, that is GUI for Java. SAP, this, yeah, GUI for Java can run on any operating system. For SUSE Linux or Unix operating system, we can. And HTML can run on browser. It means it can run on any operating system, any database. So HTML client, Microsoft, these are the browsers that is supported by GUI for HTML. Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, above 11 version. If you are having Internet Explorer 10, it is not going to work. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari. Safari is supported on Mac OS and iOS. Safari on Windows operating system, it is not supported. So we have to be make sure that these information very clear, because sometimes the users are going to complain. Like user is having Windows machine, and Windows machine they have Safari browser, and they are going to try GUI for HTML. The things are not coming. It means we have to verify on which uh, browser the things are supported. So prerequisite for GUI for HTML, the web GUI service must be activated, the ICF service is active, and ITS should be enabled. How to verify ITS is enabled or not? So to verify the ITS enable or not, we can see the parameter. The parameter we have to verify. So the ITS parameter is in RZ11. RZ11. The parameter name is ITSP enable. So this enable the ITS, Internet Transaction Server. So by default it is enabled. 1 means enabled, 0 means it is disabled. It is 1, it means this Internet Transaction Server is enabled. Okay, so now we have exercise number 21, and after that we can take 15 minutes break also. So 10 minutes for this exercise and then 15 minutes break, and then we will continue our next lesson at 10:45. So if anybody want to do this exercise, they can do the exercise, and you want to take break also, you can take the break. So now we have to do exercise number 20. Administration of SAP GUI for HTML. So there you can just check the settings related to, like settings related to run the transaction code there.